everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I know I'm looking a bit cray-cray, but it is because I'm doing the power of makeup today. So this is me with makeup and without. So if you would like to see how I got this look, stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to start is my eyebrows. I'm doing this side of my face because it is my better side. So this is the power of makeup, and I love both sides of my face. I love how I look with makeup and I love how I look without it. So it's always a win-win for me. There are days where I just don't feel to wear makeup and I just go out the house as I am and I feel confident and I work it. And then there are days where I feel all girly and feel like dollsing up, and that's what I do, you know. So I think this should be a very quick video since I'm just doing half of my face and not my entire face. It should be a quick video. So let's see how much minutes I take to do this. All right, so I'm just cleaning up my brow. Do you guys see the difference already? Like, I'm seeing the difference that just simply by filling in my brows makes on my face. Like, wow, this is amazing. Watch the difference. Let me get a book. I have a book right here. Watch the difference already. This is the side with my brows and the side without my brows. It makes a huge difference. All right, so of course I'm gonna go in with and just prep my face by moisturizing and then priming. Oh my gosh, you see, I'm already doing this side, but I guess I could moisturize this side, but I didn't want it to. I have to remember, Lois, it's just one side of your face and not your entire face, because like I'm so accustomed doing my entire face. Right, and now I'm going to use my MAC foundation, and I'm just going to do about one pump because it's just one side of my face. Just blending it in. And then to conceal, I'm going to use my LA Girls Pro Concealer. Ooh. Just to conceal underneath my eyes. I want a full coverage, glamorous type of look. That's what I'm going for today. So. And to contour, I'm using my favorite contour stick, which is by Sasha, which is actually a lipstick that I use. It's called Tangsi Latte for those of you guys are interested. Just blending it out. To me, one of the keys to really good makeup is just blending. I want to see that contour on it. Alright, and to set my face, I'm using the Sasha Buttercup Setting Powder. Yes. Whoop. A little bit too much here. I'll just toss it out. And then I'm going in with my MAC. This is my favorite mineralized skin finish powder. I love it. This is all I use, the only powder I rarely ever use. I love it. I'm just going to set the rest of my face with this. Let me start my eyes. And I am going to be using the Beauty Treats palette today. I have this a long time. That's why it's looking so old and so jacked up. I'm breaking up. Right, and what do I want to do today? I'm going to use I think I'm going to use this shade right here as my transition color. the shade right there. I don't know why I always like gravitate to like red. Oh, the cool thing, I just have like one eye to do, which is fun. I don't have to worry about doing the other side. This is really nice. I love this. And basically I'm almost finished doing my makeup, which is pretty cool too as well. But I'm putting a little bit of purple there too as well. Just blend the two colors. Just blend the two shades. This purple right here. Right here. And just blend in the two shades. Ooh, this purple is really nice. So I'm going in with this palette. It's the MAC Studio palette. And these are just like really neutral colors. So I'm going to use this shade right here to help give me a more smoky effect. Oh wow, yes, this is lovely. And then for a little shimmer, I'm going to be using this shade right here. This shade right here on my lids. Wow, that applied beautiful with this color. Okay, so you guys seen the difference already? Side with makeup and side without. Okay, so I think I wanna just line my eyes and probably do like a wing. I don't really do this, but I want to go all out, you guys. I want to go all out. So I'm using my LA Colors liquid liner. Let me see if I can do this because I always get trouble to do a wing. That's why I never do it. Anybody, like, are you guys like me? Just comment down below, like, do you struggle or do you have like any suggestions that I can do to make this process way easier? Because thank God it's just one side that I have to do. Thank you, Jesus. And then for the bottom, I'm using the liner just right underneath. I think it's the color that I'm using because it's like a black brown, so it's not black, so it's not really showing up as it should, but that's okay. All right, so next I'm going to use the Sasha in Cinnamon as my blush today, and I like to put blush on my temples too as well. Then I'm going in with this highlighter, and it's called Bronze and Glow. I think it's manufactured in Trinidad. I don't really have the name of the company. And it's a nice, rich gold color. You see that? It's like popping. And now on to my lips. This is going to be so weird just doing one side of my lips. And of course, for this video, I have to go into a bright red because I wanted something dramatic. Let me just set my face. Whew. Now let me just put on a little bit of mascara. Right, so of course you guys know this is all I ever use, the Lancome. I love it, the mascara. It's my favorite mascara for right now. At this moment, it's my absolute favorite mascara and I love it. Right, let me see if I can get the bottom of my eyes. Alright guys, and this is the final look. This is me without makeup. How you do it? This is me with makeup. Without and with makeup. Which side do you prefer? I prefer the both. I love without and I love with makeup too as well. So this is the power of makeup and how makeup could just transform you, can just transform you and even transform your mood and how you feel in terms of making you feel more confident as a woman. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment down below, and see you guys next time on my channel. Bye.